Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Horicon, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mayville, Horicon, Juneau, Lomira, Theresa, Iron Ridge, Burnett, Addison, Woodland, Chikoski, Neno, Atwater, Alenton, Mills, and Minnesota Junction. This includes the following location: Horicon Marsh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee,
Oh, there it is. I still don't know how to use this thing.
County of East Central Wisconsin, North.
Anyway, didn't think I could get Milwaukee from here, but well, I guess I can.